I'm looking for the barrel.
Yep, I already see it.
Really? Oh yeah, it's me too. Destination is on your right. Arrived.
Now when you get in the cemetery, you want to find this grave with a barrel looking thing on the top. And then the Warwick tombstone. And Shannon will be on the ground right next. And here he is right here. Richard Shannon Hoon, singer of the band Blind Melon, in Dayton, Indiana. Now next to Shannon's grave is his grandmother's grave, Vernie O'Long. She's right here next to him. That's his mother's mother. And his father, who just died this year, is right next to him. Also named Richard Hoon. That's why Shannon took his middle name, so he wasn't confused with his father, Richard. And he's buried right here next to Shannon. First time I ever seen Shannon Hoon was in the Guns N' Roses video for Don't Cry. And that was right before they released their debut album. Most people know him from the song No Rain. But we love the deeper cuts. If you like No Rain, make sure you check out the song Change, which some of the lyrics for that song is right here on his grave. And I love Mouthful of Cavities, Galaxy. So definitely make sure you check out more songs than No Rain, because he had a lot more talent than just that one song. One of my favorite Blind Melon shows is the 1994 Woodstock, where Shannon came out in his girlfriend's white dress, but put on one of the best performances I ever seen. Now in October 1995, after Shannon got his life cleaned up, he actually had a drug counselor touring with the band. They headed for a show down in New Orleans. And unfortunately, the old demons came back. And he went out at night on an all-night cocaine binge in New Orleans. And when they came back, they found him passed away in his bunk on the tour bus on October 21st, 1995. Now, like I do with all the famous graves I go to, I want to leave a few mementos for Shannon. Ooh. I'm going to leave my YouTube magnet. And I also have the Galaxy car that Shannon drove for in real life and in the video Galaxy. And Larena's got a few mementos she's going to leave too.
How do you fit in that little car? I have this picture.
Perfect.
I have this CD.
Yes. And we have been planning this trip for 10 years, literally. So this one has a lot of meaning, so we're leaving more than normal for Shannon. And now we want to do our version of the song Change, since that's the first song that Shannon wrote, and those are the lyrics on the grave.
live that way, but that's okay. They're just afraid to change. And when you feel life ain't worth living, you got to stand up and take a look around, and you look up way to the sky. Yeah, and when your deepest thoughts are broken, keep on dreaming, boy, 'cause when you stop dreaming, it's time to die. And as we all play parts of tomorrow, oh no, no, some ways will work and other ways will play. Hell yeah. But I know we can't all stay here forever, so I wanna write my words on the face of today. Oh, as I fade away, they'll look at me and they'll say, hey, look at him, where he is these days. And life is hard, you have to change. And life is hard, you have to change. Think that one sound all right?
Yep.
It's hot as shit.
Out of here. All right, that's gonna do it from Dayton, Indiana. This was an awesome 10-year bucket list trip. I want to thank my partner, Larena Krohe, over there for helping me out. And from Dayton, Indiana, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Do you have anything you want to add?
Yeah. Oh. Nice underwear.